Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see backup photos on Google Photos. So first of all, before you do anything, go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to double check if the Google Photos needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it, and if it doesn't, just go ahead to the next step. After you open the Google Photos and sign in with your Gmail or Google account, and as you can see right here, we're going to allow access to all photos, and I'm going to just hit allow access, and I'm gonna just close this window, and you're gonna see all of the photos and videos that you just saved from your library, even the recent ones, right? So you're gonna see right here the finished setup, and you're gonna see right here unlock the power of photos, and you're gonna see right here seeing favorites and all that, and basically all of your backed up photos will be seen right here without needing to do anything, extraordinary, right? So you're gonna see right here the memories, you're gonna see right here the libraries, and basically you're gonna see all of the things that you saved right here on your Google Photos that you packed up from your albums. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.